Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Ey'nsukwini ezedlule kuphume i-article ebikhuluma ngo-Minister of Public Works okuDean McPherson ukuthi uspende imali eningi for i-boyfriend yakhe kuyi-trip ebebeyithathile njengoba bebeye eBrazil. Wayesuminister bono akaresponde le-article ngoba according to yena i-misinformation, kodwa akwazi ukusipha ama-recorder straight ukuthi akaspendanga le mali abayishoyo. Sizoyifunda-ke iletha yakhona ezosicacisela ukuthi imalini kahle kahle ayispendile eyispendela i-boyfriend yakhe le ami nayo la ku-screen. Kodwa ngaphambi kokuba ngifike lapho, uRonaldo Gous owayeyimemba yayo i-DA kodwa owagcina ekhishwe ePhalamende ngenxa yokuthi abantu bathatha ivideo yakhe eyenze 10 years ago, futhi nakhona bayithatha out of context, kodwa wavela njengomuntu o-racist, waxolisa ngalokho. Kodwa abantu belokhu beyivusa nje le video noma asho ukuthi cha, uma ungayilalela yonke ulalela i-context ukuthi kwakukhulunywa ngani, uzokuqonda ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yena-ke ubhale kanje: Minister Dean McPherson and the DA broke their own protocols by allowing his boyfriend to travel with him and fly business class on a working trip to Brazil to attend a BRICS event. This is funded by South African taxpayer. Sike le protocol ye-DA uRonaldo abekhuluma ngayo ifundeka kanje: Not only are these luxury flights an immoral and corrupt waste of money, at a time when more South Africans than ever have been dumped into poverty by the policies of the very people who continue to live in luxury, but the DA also believes that the granting of these benefits is illegal. Abumbazi Mashilowa yena ubhale kanje: That which is legal and permissible may still not be the best morally and based on integrity. That someone did it before is no justification as well. Let's leave the quantum for now, nor the motive. DA in opposition will be calling on the minister to pay back the money. Nsikilethe bhalo Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure. Uyibhale ngomhla ka-1 kuMarch 2026. Isihloko sithi Minister McPherson welcomes City Press correction of false and misleading travel article. Public Works and Infrastructure Minister Dan McPherson has welcomed City Press swift correction of an article that falsely claimed he ignored legal advice over his partner's travel to Brazil and incorrectly stated the total cost of working visit when the confirmed expenditure was 350,000 rand. Uminister waspenda 350,000 rand for a trip ya boyfriend yakhe. Asiqhubeke. The minister says the false reporting forms part of coordinated fight back campaign to derail the clean-up underway at the department, similar to tactic used during the IDT saga, and follows reports that his office has been the target of communication interception, prompting a formal request to the state security agents to investigate. While welcoming the correction, the minister has called on City Press to publish the correction across all social media platforms and indicate prominently in the article that it has been amended, and caution that inaccurate reporting, particularly when a detailed rebuttal was provided beforehand, inadvertently serves those working against clean governance and the department. Letha bayibhale ngenye indlela, babhala into eyodwa kabili. Okokuqala bebeyibhale in point form, manje la ngaphansi babhala iparagraph, kodwa asifunde nje uba kunjalo waphela sifunde iletha. The Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure, Dan McPherson, welcomed City Press' swift correction of an article published on Sunday morning, which falsely reported that he ignored legal advice over his partner's travel to Brazil and incorrectly stated the cost associated with travel. The article now correctly reflects the minister had no knowledge of the alleged disagreement. Within departmental officials, the total travel of the working visit to Brazil alongside his partner amounted to 350,000 rand, and that's no fruitless or wasteful duplicate. Bookings were made, while associated social media post of the article has been deleted. The minister said he views the sensationalist false reporting by the journalist and City Press, which follows a press council order against the journalist and publication for incorrect reporting in relation to the Independent Development Trust (IDT) as part of the coordinated fight back campaign by individuals at the Department of Public Works and Infrastructure to derail the cleanup campaign the minister embarked on, which includes the suspension and the resignation of senior personnel, lifestyle audits and disciplinary action. This follows reporting in the Sunday Times today that minister and his senior official have been the target of communication interception and eavesdropping, and the State Security Agency has been requested to investigate. Open quotes. Similarly to the tactics used in the fight back campaign used when we tried to clean up the IDT with the use of fake news article and social media posts. City Press published a blatantly false article and headline which was widely shared on social media and which inadvertently favors those who are against the cleanup campaign we have embarked on at the Department of Public Works and Infrastructure. This follows reports that my and the DG office being spied on, confirming my suspicion that a campaign is underway to stop the work we are doing within the department, close quotes, by Minister Dan McPherson. Political parties such as Action South Africa, which has previously fallen victim to fake news around the IDT and called for my suspension, again jumped to support the false reporting, thereby helping to defend those standing in the way of clean governance. While the correction to the article will not undo the serious damage already caused by the blatantly false reporting, I welcome City Press efforts to correct the article. I, however, remain extremely concerned how this reporting was allowed to take place in the first place, which clearly favors those who seek to undo the work we are trying to. The minister said while the article has now been corrected in line with the South African Press Code, he requests that the correction be published on all City Press social platforms and indicate promptly in the article that it has been corrected and amended. He added that while he welcomes the scrutiny and vibrant South African media journalism should take care to verify all allegations before publishing as to avoid inadvertently assisting those involved in wrongdoing. Open quotes. As a democratic South African, I remain fully committed to transparency and accountability and welcome legitimate scrutiny of our work. However, journalism that presents factual inaccuracies as established fact, particularly after a detailed rebuttal has been provided, serves to support those who are against the clean-up efforts underway in the department. I will therefore continue to hold the media to the same standard of accuracy and accountability that I hold myself and the department to. Close quotes. Ngobuzwa nje sihlobo sami ukuthi uminister uziphendulele wathini yena. Kodwa-ke i-DA ngokuyazi kwethu ukube isese-opposition ayikho kwi-power, ngabe imi ngey'nyawo, ngabe izama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi uminister lona akayibhadale back le mali. I-DA yathatha udaba lika former president uJacob Zuma lisenkantolo, labehlulo kokuqala balisa kwi-appeal yalichitha, yaphinda yayoqala phansi elokuthi istate samkhokhela iy'ndleko zamacala kanti amacala ayibhekane naye. Namhlanje funeka akhokhe 28.9 million if I'm not mistaken, imali efuneka ayikhokhe back kwi-state ngoba i-DA yayilwela lokho. Kodwa manje usithola uminister we-DA wenza lento abayilwelayo, abasho lutho. Yini-ke amandla. Uyabona ukuthembeka komuntu ohluphekile noma umuntu oswele akufanele ukuthembe kakhulu ngoba lowo muntu lo usengakakhombisa ukuthembeka kahle. Kodwa umuntu ufuna umlinde abe nemali. Baningi abantu wena ungayitshela uphila nabo kanti benziwa ukuthi nje ingoba abanamali, mhlambe khona usiza abalithole, kodwa mzukwane baba nemali bayovela ubunjalo babo. Yabona i-DA ngendlela ebiyi-opposition bekwaziwa ukuthi yonke into errong izovezwa i-DA, kodwa namhlanje ilapha ku-GNU babambisene ne-ANC, ayisekho into errong eyenziwa i-ANC. Yabona isigaba esehlela i-DA yilesi esehlela i-PA ne-IFP. Ayikho into errong eyenziwa i-IFP kunalokho eyenziwa i-ANC yamini, kunalokho bancoma yonke into eyenziwa uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. So owazi nje i-DA yangamangala ukuthi hayibo kuseyiyo le. Kodwa-ke indaba zinjalo, uminister uspende 350,000 rand for i-boyfriend yakhe kwi-trip ababeyithathile beye kwi-event e-BRICS eBrazil. Mina nawe sidibane kwividiyo elandelayo, kodwa ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphala kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kulokukhuluma konke. Siyazi ukuthi siphile kwi-South Africa ekhululekileyo lapho khona nabantu abathandana nobulili obufanayo sibahlonipha, kodwa phela abathandani kahle ngemali yabo bengathandani ngemali yama-taxpayers. Ilokho nje thina esikushoyo ngoba vele kuvumelekile kusemthethweni, kodwa abathandane kahle ngemali yabo, hayi ngale yama-taxpayers. Uba le yama-taxpayers funeka ibuye i-investe back ekutheni impilo zabantu azithuthukiswe.